Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to introduce you to the Kitchen Gizmo Snap and Strain Silicone Clip-on Colander. This amazing kitchen gadget is a total game changer when it comes to hassle-free straining. First off, let me tell you that this is the original Snap and Strain, designed and manufactured by Kitchen Gizmo. You won't find anything quite like it in terms of quality and innovation. The specially designed clips easily snap onto round pots, pans, and bowls of all sizes, saving you time and effort while keeping your food in the pot where it belongs. And can we talk about how space-saving this is? It's small, compact, and easy to store, taking up just a quarter of the space of a traditional colander or sieve. If you've got limited counter space, this is an absolute must-have for your kitchen. Not to mention, the package includes one snap and strain strainer in a sleek gray color, making it a great kitchen gift for anyone in your life who loves to cook. Oh, and did I mention that it's made from high-quality, heat-resistant silicone that can withstand temperatures up to 440 F, 230 C? Whether you're draining hot pasta or boiling vegetables, this silicone clip-on strainer will not warp or melt, ensuring both safety and durability in your kitchen. So, if you're ready to simplify your cooking experience and make straining a breeze, be sure to check out the Snap and Strain in the link below. Trust me, you won't regret it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome kitchen gadgets and cooking tips. Thanks for watching.